Model, 2017 Volkswagen Crafter CR35 140 PS 2.0 TDI long wheelbase, curtain cider chassis cab SIPER clean needs turbo VAT included bargain. Body, white, curtain. Mileage, 156,339. MOT, the 10th of July 2025. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 140 PS EU6B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing, this still starts and idles perfectly, the engine sounds great, this is a straightforward simple turbo replacement job grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 0 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074011997.